Welcome back to Woof Wednesday. I'm Heather Fox, and today we're talking about the trick about treats. So, when we are using treats as a reward system for dogs, we have to understand that it is not a bribe. It's for a job well done. A lot of people get confused and they say, what if my dog's not treat motivated? They're only doing it for the treats. That's because we're using them wrong. So I want you to think about this. If you're going to a friend's house to visit with them and they give you cheese and crackers while you're there, are you going to their house for the cheese and crackers? Unless they're really good cheese and crackers, maybe from France, then maybe, but it's unlikely. So what is happening is you are getting cheese and crackers because they're trying to make you feel more welcome. They're trying to connect with you in the home using a biological way through your gut. So that is the aim. That's what we're trying to do with our dogs. If you are lucky enough to have a dog that is treat motivated, you are rich in their salary. It's an amazing thing to be able to use treat motivators when training. And any person that has a dog that's not treat motivated can tell you how much they wish their dog was. It's a lot harder, but not impossible, to train dogs that aren't treat motivated. So remember, when using treats, we want to use it as a job well done. So there you go. The trick about treats is it's not about the treats. It's about the relationship and the training. If you'd like to subscribe to the Positive Pet community, you can go to techpology.com and click subscribe. We're also doing the text to behaviorist feature where you can text this number on the screen and we can set you up for the text to behaviorist feature. What that feature allows you to do is text us questions about what's going on with your pup at home, and we can give you real-time answers, videos, and support. Pretty exciting. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next week, everybody.